how to add Twitch chat to OBS. So for that you need to go to browser. Here you need to open Twitch. After that you need to click on top right corner profile pic. After that you need to click on settings. Here you need to click on channel and videos. After that you need to click on stream manager. Now here you will see my chat. Simply click on these three dots. Now click on pop-up chat. Here I need to simply copy the chat link. After that I will go to OBS. Now I will simply click on docx. Here I will simply click on custom browser docx. Now I will simply write here chat. After that I will simply paste that link, and now after I will simply click on apply. Here our chat will be start. Thanks for watching.